Hey Sophies, welcome back. Madam Sophie here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I'm going to do an eyeshadow tutorial that is festive. I mean, who says you can't start the new year with a festive look? So I did this festive look, even though yes, we're in winter and these are summer colors, but oh well, who says you can't rock different colors all throughout the year? So definitely this eyeshadow look, this is what this tutorial is going to be based off. I'm only going to be using the Juvia'S Zulu palette. Yes, the Zulu palette by Juvia'S. This is what I'm going to be using for this eyeshadow tutorial. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this fabulous look, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, welcome sweetheart. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell on your way out to be part of the Sophia's Mix. And you got to be part of the Sophia's Mix because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. Okay, so on to the tutorial. Okay, Sophia, so that's going to be it for today. And I hope that you guys liked this tutorial. I know that it is a bit colorful. And I mean, I'm happy to come on here and do an eyeshadow tutorial with some of the colors that I really love. I love the color purple. I love the color pink. I love the color rose gold. And I could deal with a little teal here and there every now and then. So definitely, I'm very satisfied with the look I was able to come up with. I don't know, but for some reason this eyelash is not doing me good. I've taken it out and put it on for about 3 times. And I mean, it's all good over here, but in the corner, this lash right here is not cooperating for some reason. Please, I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe if you're new to this channel. Don't forget to hit that bell on your way out because you got to be part of the Sophia squad, and you got to be part of the Sophia squad because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. I hope that this look was festive enough for you, and don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be you. Don't forget to be amazing, and don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.